Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, I'm excited y'all, this is my favorite box, okay? And I'm sure you know what it is. I've been saying that for a long time, but as you know, this is my very favorite box. However, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in and see what's on the inside, okay? So, of course, when we open the box, the very first thing we have is our description card. Now, let me just say, I kind of know what's in this box because there is another item. It was too full to fit in the box. So I do have that in my hand, but we will see that in just a little bit. All right. Our description card says, New Year, be you. Okay. And this is for January 2023. Now, let me just say, if I would have thought I knew what all the products were in this box based on what was on the outside, I would have been sorely mistaken. This, I love when they do this. They give us a plethora of products. Now, it says CURLBOX times JCPENNY Salon. We're breathing a sigh of relief in 2023 as our favorite star watchers predict this year will bring us closer to what we want and need. Our first CURLBOX of the year in partnership with JCPENNY is most of what you want and all you need. Okay, so we're just going to start at the top and just go right through. So the very first item that we have is by Care. Okay, and this is a dry and itchy scalp glossifier. It says this scalp treatment quickly relieves itching, dryness, and flaking. It's effective against dandruff, seborrheic, dermatitis, and seborrhea. Okay, those are some words I'm not familiar with, but I will be checking on them to see just what they mean. Okay, now apparently this is for style 3, this glossifier. And, okay, y'all know the first thing I'm checking for, okay, is the expiration date, which lets me know this product does not expire until February 2025. 2 years from now, it'll all be gone. I promise you. Okay, so since I do have a little bit of time, let me just see what it smells like. Ooh, that is strong. Strong. It's pretty, but it's strong. Okay, I'm not ready to see what it does as of yet, but I will be soon. Okay, so that is item number 1. Item number 2 is a flawless hydrating cleansing conditioner, and it says this is a co-wash cleansing conditioner that gently removes dirt and product buildup while nourishing and conditioning hair. Great for natural, color treated, or relaxed hair. This is an 8 fluid ounce size, and it says it infused with marshmallow root extract and rice oil complex. And it is good for 2, 3, and 4 hair. How about that? It says it gently cleanses and conditions, and this is part of Gabrielle Union's line, okay? All righty. No sulfates, parabens, and no silicones. Great for natural, color treated, or relaxed hair. Yeah, I did say that. Okay. Now, I'm very interested in trying this. I have heard a lot about her products, but I haven't tried any of them until now. Okay. Well, this is item number 2. Then item number 3 is a little sample. in the midst of all of these full-size products, there are a couple samples. Okay, and this is, okay, maybe I shouldn't say sample. This is a one-use item. Okay, and it's this one right here, and this is Canvilli Scalp Bliss Itch Calming Serum. And it says this revolutionary serum with an exclusive organic complex that soothes and calms an itchy scalp, has precisely targeted delivery. Get rid of dry, itchy scalp, sensitive skin, and scalp irritation. Okay. Very, very interesting. And this is a 1 ml size. Okay. Well, that is item number 3. Then item number 4 is By Design Essentials. I love their products. All right. And this is the Rosemary and Mint Stimulating Super Moisturizing Conditioner. It says rejuvenate your scalp and restore your tresses with this powerhouse conditioner that moisturizes and calms inflammation, all while nourishing your follicles. This is it's an 11-ounce size, and it says stimulates the scalp and moisturizes the hair. This is a 70% larger jar than it usually comes in. Sulfate and alcohol free. Okay. And this one is good for 12 months after this is opened. All right, and this one, the expiration date is stamped in it as well. Used by 2025, 9/2025 to be exact. All right, so this is item number 4, full size number 3. Okay, then the next item that we have, oh, I love this product. This is the Haitian Black Castor Oil, Mango Papaya, and Coconut by Creole Essence. Okay, I love their Black Castor Oil products, all the ones that they have given us. And this is 100% pure black castor oil. This multi-use lightweight serum is 100% pure Haitian black castor oil infused with mango, papaya, and coconut. It stimulates hair growth, soothes fussy scalps, and helps lock in moisture for your curls and your skin. Another 2-in-1 product. Now this is a 2-ounce size. Love the packaging. Look at that. Okay, this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Promotes thicker, longer hair and hydrates and smooths the skin. All right, so that is item number 5, but item number 4 in full size. Okay, the next item that we have. All right, so check this part out, right? So next we have items that it says you will receive one of these products in your box. Okay, and it's by Bouclem. And the one that I received is the Curl Conditioner. Okay, and it's this one right here. And it says this unique formulation penetrates deep into the hair cuticle with linseed extract, rich in protein, minerals, vitamins, and oils for high shine. Okay. It says this is a Curls Redefined. Okay, so the one that I received is the Curl Conditioner. This one says plant-powered curl care. All right, and this one is a 10.1 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it says harnessing the power of plants to create an effective range of curl care using naturally derived ingredients and natural fragrances. This ultra moisturizing conditioner penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, perfect for all curl types. Okay. I'm here for it. Look, I just love me some CURLBOX because I have no excuse for my hair to not be the way it's supposed to be, whether it's out in its natural state or in a protective style. Okay, so this is the product that was on the outside of the box. So you will see why I said if I would have guessed everything in the box was by this, I would have been sorely mistaken. So that item is by Alafifia, and this is the Everyday Shea Body Wash. Oh. It could have been lavender or unscented. And the one that I have is unscented. Okay, I like that because then I can choose to wear whatever type of perfume I want, and um, I don't have conflicting scents going on. Okay, now it says truly natural and handcrafted. This hand and body soap is moisturizing and gentle for the skin, made with fair trade and unrefined shea butter. It gently cleanses away pollutants while nourishing and protecting your skin. All right, and this is a 18 fluid ounce size. And this one is also plant-based. And it's for normal to very dry skin. I like that. And it says this is a vegan, biodegradable, no animal testings, no parabens, no phthalates, no SLS, no synthetic fragrance, no mineral oils, and no synthetic dyes. I'm telling you, this is the real thing right here. All right. Made with love and respect. All right. So it says our everyday shea body wash is handcrafted with certified fair trade unrefined shea butter from our cooperatives in West Africa. I'm very excited to use this product. I really am. I love me some body wash. Anyway, okay, now this one says it's best if used by 10/20/24. So I still have almost 2 years to use this full product. No problem. I can do that. Okay. So there's one more thing here. Okay. Now this one is not listed on here. So this is just an extra little, let me throw it in for you. Okay. This is by Malibu, and this is the scalp therapy. And it says it soothes away dryness, unplugs minerals from the mouth of the follicle. Okay, this is a one-use size, which is a 0.17 ounce size. Okay, so this is the last item that is in here. Now, in addition to the full-size products that we received, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products, we also received 2 one-use products. That is not bad, especially for the price of this box. I love it so much, okay? It really, CURLBOX looks out for us, okay? At a wonderful price, okay? Okay, let me stop talking about this box. So, what are your thoughts? Did you receive your box already this month? What did you get in yours? Let me know down below, okay? Well, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as I unboxed my favorite box, which is the CURLBOX, okay? These are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now also remember we did get the one-use items in there as well, which we did not include in that total. But remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.